Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So as discussed on Sunday's analysis, that is the FIIs, they have made future short positions and they also did call buying in the option chain. PropDex, they did call writing, and also in the option chain we saw that like overall the monthly option chain of Nifty, Bank Nifty, they were looking bearish. And today we had mid cap Nifty expiry, and if you look at the levels, so these levels were discussed earlier as well, so the levels worked perfectly fine. So 12,700 and 1512 where 863 where it got resistance, came down and again went up. So not only that, like even in the morning at 10:36 a.m, if you see here, I said that HFTs are present on the call side in mid cap Nifty as buyers. I did my best to warn you all, and now you know that without such now you know the reason, because mid cap Nifty made like almost 300 points move from its day's low. So it went to 13k. So anyways, coming down to the members channel. So again, coming down to today. So here, that is in the morning, like right at the bottom in mid cap Nifty, we caught the buyers, the HFT buyers, they were present. So 700C was bought, so 944, so almost right at the bottom here, okay. So then, like, though I closed it early and 62, then again I re-entered, and so here again I re-entered at 129 and then closed at 142. Put side was also shorted, like 775 was deep in the money, then it was shorted at 62, then closed it at 42 here, then again shorted here, again sorry, went long in mid cap Nifty 146, 12,700, 135, finally closed it at 160. So yeah, here that is closed at 160, and then put side also was shorted. And Nifty, if you look at here, that is Nifty also I went long. Average was 204 of 23,700, and I also said that Nifty like call buyers are present 1124. So 1124, if you look at here, that is this is where it was. So even after that also it gave 100 points move up. Call buyers were present up before going down. So everything in the morning was perfectly working and the call buyers were dominating. And also I said everything, and don't I closed the Nifty long positions because mid cap Nifty and Nifty I was having too many long positions, so I closed the Nifty one. But I clearly mentioned the analysis here, and also like for mid cap Nifty I clearly mentioned that 12,900 is it's where it's going to end. Like I mean the option chain in the morning, it was saying that like the expiry should be at least like above 12,850 and might be above 12,900. So even I mentioned it earlier as well, that is we can go above, might go above 12,900. Okay, so I mentioned this even at 11:09. Okay, so again like I posted it here as well. Here if you see, I posted it here as well at 11:52. So if you have read it, so if my analysis helped, so don't forget to put a like. And again, if you want such live analysis, and yeah, so this one was the bearish like RSI divergence, which later on showed its the analysis later on followed, but at that moment the call buyers were present, and so we went with the call buyers. Those who know that I don't follow much of the technicals, I know how to do technical analysis. I know when I see a divergence with some indicators, some lines, I can do. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I can do. But again, those who know me, that I mostly go with the HFT guys, and if I see them buying, I do go with them, whatever be the technicals. So again, if you want again, this is the same Telegram channel. If you want such live analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to this money flow indicators and a complimentary access to the Telegram channel, and also the last 2 days for the offer to end, and do grab it. So the coupon code is in the comment section below. Talking about our Nifty indicators, so if you look at here, it was heavily negative, but then by 9:48 it went to the neutral zone. Okay, so 9:48, if you look at here, Nifty, so Nifty was here, that is so this is where almost at its bottom, and so it's showing that gradually strength is increasing right at the bottom. So one should be careful there. And then again strength showed, and again if you look at here, that is, it went to the negative zone 1333. So 1333 was here, that is 1320. So third here, okay, so 1333 it was here, and then also after that Nifty gave some down move, and but again, so the thing is that it's not about only negative. So if you see here, it was I mean, if you have to notice that it's like at the score is at 55, okay, so then the score has already dropped. So why is the drop? That is because the big guys are shorting. So from there you get the point. That is, if you look at here, that is 42, and then right, like it came to 1. So 1234, okay, so 1234, if you look at Nifty, it's 1234. So it's here. This is 30 to 34. So right here. So that is where like the big guys have started shorting the market. So then also, like if you see here, the fall gradually happened, and yeah, so that is how you have to understand the thing. And yes, so again if you look at the bank nifty indicators, so again the same, almost the same thing happened, and you can go and check out the scores with the timestamp, and you can pause the video and go and check out the with the charts and the timestamp. And now let's go to the chart. So 850 again, as soon as it gave resistance for the second time, then market fell, and to the next level 23,687. Bank nifty again, this zone got resistance, came down next level to 51,000, that also broke 50,781. And even if this doesn't survive, so sustain, then 53,391, 49,900, and 49,695. So yeah, and yeah, let's discuss the EOD data. So EOD data, if you look at here, further short positions by the FIIs. Last day also they did short positions. Today also they did short positions in futures. Propdex, they did some long positions in the futures. All option chain, if you look at here, mostly like they have done put buying and call buying. Put buying is not like 62,921 quantity is not a heavy quantity for them. Call buying also like 1 lakh quantities. Even the last day also they did 1 lakh quantity. So this is like the positional that they are taking call buying. I think this is for the hedging of these future short positions, okay. So yes, now talking about here, that is the prop decks. The prop decks I have done called writing today and put buying. Overall the prop decks are called writers and put buyers, okay. And talking about the FIIs, they are like called writers. For the last 2 days they are actually called buyers and put buyers as well, okay. But in option chain they don't have heavy quantity, the FI especially I'm talking about. So now again let's go to the option chain. So option chain, this is the monthly expiry 24,000. Again like they I mean OI is good, 36 lakhs. But again see 23,500, I mentioned it the last day, Sunday's analysis. Today also if you see, it's in the money, and Y has increased 1.5 lakhs. While if you see like the I mean the put side, so the change in OI is like, even if you see here, that is, I mean, it's closing not looking good, okay. So it's not looking good, the change in OI. So no one is getting like I mean no one is like getting faith, or whatever you say, like no one is showing up the courage to short the puts. So coming back to our current expiry, so again put side, if you see here, closing 23,500, 23,550. Also some 23,500 also five like today OI change is 2 lakh, 6 lakhs overall almost. And outside like 23,700 and above, full call writing has happened. And again put side is looking weak. And yeah, so talking about bank nifty monthly option chain, again if you see here, that is some in the money call writers are present, and also like the same scenario, OI change on the put side is not looking very good. And tomorrow we have fin nifty expiry. So again be careful, fin nifty is very very dangerous, everyone knows. So 31st tomorrow, and all the best guys for tomorrow's expiry. So coming down here, that is 23,800. Like if you see here, that is some short positions have been done, 24,000 as well. So, but again, as I always tell you, that Fin Nifty expiry option chain is inconclusive the day before the expiry as well. So most of the positions happens in the morning or during the day, like it happened today in mid cap nifty. Like we got to know everything in the morning in the option chain, that is it should expire above 850 or 900, it should also go. So mid cap nifty, so that's what you get to know. So again, if my analysis are helping you all, so please do put a like, and if you want to be a member, don't forget to grab the coupon code in the comment section below. So offer only will last till tomorrow. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.